Well, good morning. We have some nice plumage going on this morning here in Sault Ste. Marie. We have, there we are, James R. Barker. They've been laid up with engine trouble over in Duluth, so this is their first downbound trip. I'm going to be quiet here, or downbound trip since then. I'm going to be quiet because the control arm is almost at the top, and they're going to sound their horn. I don't want to be talking over it. Ooh, barely didn't mess that up. Of course, they are at the bottom, if that makes any sense. So they're 21 feet lower than the water level you see in the foreground. And you can probably tell, if we look at something, you can see that they are plainly moving. And kind of like the got, I can kind of feel it in the ground, in your chest. It's kind of hard to describe. It seems like we've had a increase in intensity plumage as well. Plumage intensity. There we go. Oh, it's early. Oh, please forgive me. Today is the 20th of December. And I woke up because there was some, I'm not sure exactly what woke me up, but it caused me to look at my phone to see what the time was, which caused me to see I had work alerts. So I had to look at those. So anyway, I ended up having to work this morning. It's only 7 a.m. now, so I ended up working from about 4:30 till just about 10 minutes ago, fixing some issues and just stuff that happens, you know, like kind of stuff you hope never happens, but it just does. So could have been worse, could have been a whole lot worse. So I'm in dire need of coffee and breakfast. Argo needs breakfast as well. While the Barker makes their way out, I wanted to point out that the stop logs are here in place in the Mac lock. You can see them, or the top one there. Right. There was a big old barge and crane sitting here, so it kind of blocked the view, but I'd intended to record anyway to show that the stop logs were in today, but the barge and crane being gone is a bonus, and well, the James R. Barker, that's just fantastic. So, and from what I can tell, from what you can see from the sidewalk, it looks like the Mac lock has been at least mostly dewatered already. So I can't say if it's dry yet, but the water level is significantly lower than what it was. James R. Barker still making their way out. Good to see them underway. You can only imagine on a ship with engines like these, engine trouble, well, there's probably not much in the way of minor engine trouble with these things. So, oh, good to see them underway. And, well, since I'm recording, they got a bunch of scaffolding back here. I think it's, well, I don't know, it's pure speculation. I'm assuming they're building something there. I don't see anything they'd be tearing down, but I have no inside information as to what's going to be there. I was figuring that building would go away. The one you see with the wood over the windows, because that one they had wrapped up It's like they were doing asbestos abatement all summer on that. So I assumed that building was just gonna be demolished. But what to say about assumptions? So I'll be watching that. We still have just under a month to go in the shipping season, and I don't know if they intend on stopping lot construction this year. They might just keep going. Who knows? It's a big project, and lots of timelines, and massive amounts of money at play. So, James R. Barker, they're making their exit. So, with that, I'm going to bid you a good day. I'm going to carry on and get caffeinated and fed and then get back to work. So there we go. We'll leave that with some plumage. That's a nice parting shot. So have a good one. We'll be back. Oh, and I lied. If I can get it through the bars here. Can you see Argo? Oh, just a second. Okay. There we go. There he is. So he is here. I didn't ditch him at home. There we go. All right. Now I'm going to end this on some nice Barker plumage. So have a good day. We'll be back.